हेलो बच्चों, आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे अपोजिट वर्ड्स इन इंग्लिश। गुड, गुड का अपोजिट बैड, गुड, बैड। बिग, बिग का अपोजिट स्मॉल, बिग, स्मॉल। हैप्पी, हैप्पी का अपोजिट सैड, हैप्पी, सैड। स्लीप, स्लीप का अपोजिट अवेक, sleep, awake. Stand, stand का opposite sit, stand, sit. Young, young का opposite old, young, old. Together, together का opposite alone, together, alone. Black, black का opposite white, black, white. In का opposite out, in, out. Same, same का opposite different, same, different. Attack, attack का opposite defend, attack, defend. Active, active का opposite lazy, active, lazy. Back, back का opposite front, back, front. Near, near का opposite distance, near, distance. Cute, cute का opposite ugly, cute, ugly. Brave, brave का opposite afraid, brave, afraid. Fast, fast का opposite slow, fast, slow. Come, come का opposite go, come, go. Sister, sister का opposite brother, sister, brother. Father, father का opposite mother, father, mother. Day, day का opposite night, day, night. Outside, outside का opposite inside, outside, inside. More, more का opposite less, more, less. Strong, strong का opposite weak, strong, weak. Man, man का opposite woman, man, woman. Thin, thin का opposite fat, thin, fat. Hot, hot का opposite cold, hot, cold. Turn on, turn on का opposite turn off, turn on, turn off. Husband, husband का opposite wife, husband, wife. Open, open का opposite close, open, close. Tall, tall का opposite short, tall, short. Pass, pass का opposite fail, pass, fail. Comedy, comedy का opposite drama, comedy, drama. Dark, dark का opposite light, dark, light. Angel, angel का opposite devil, angel, devil. King, king का opposite queen, king, queen. Ask, ask का opposite answer, ask, answer. Poor, poor का opposite rich, poor, rich. Right, right का opposite wrong, right, wrong. Easy, easy का opposite difficult, easy, difficult. Hard, hard का opposite soft, hard, soft. Build, build का opposite destroy, build, destroy. Love, love का opposite hate, love, hate. Run, run का opposite walk, run, walk. Speak, speak का opposite listen, speak, listen. Give. Give का opposite take. Give, take. Boy. Boy का opposite girl. Boy, girl.